These Kiro lipsticks are literally everywhere right now. Every second reel is like Kiro this, Kiro that. So I had to test them. Are they really worth rupees 1000 or just another overhyped trend? Today I'm comparing their most viral ones, Velvet Souffle Soft Matte versus Non-Stop Airy Matte. We will talk shades, texture, how they feel on pigmented lips, or do a quick smudge test. The Velvet Souffle cost me around 1075 and the Airy Matte 875. Not exactly budget friendly, especially when you can get amazing lipsticks under rupees 400. So grab a chai or coffee because this isn't a fancy ad, it's real honest review to help you decide which one is actually worth buying. Okay, starting with Velvet Souffle Soft Matte, you will get 5 ml of product and I have shade Plum Merlot. It's a gorgeous deep berry nude kind of shade. The packaging feels clean and slightly like a high-end product. And texture, it's so soft it feels like a whipped mousse but very lightweight. When I first applied it, it glides so smoothly and felt like nothing on the lips. If you have pigmented lips, you will love how evenly it spreads, no patchiness at all. It's also not drying, which is rare for matte formulas, and that's why I'm not calling it like a matte lipstick. It's more like a mousse soft matte lipstick. Now the smudge test. It does transfer a little bit, especially right after applying, but the nice thing is it doesn't make your lips patchy. Even after I tried rubbing it off with a tissue, it left a very light stain, no weird flakes or dryness. So yes, long lasting, absolutely, smudge proof 70 to 80%. Like I can give you example, if you wear it through coffee, snacks or a meal, it will fade gracefully, not like those lipsticks that disappear from the center and make you look like you have eaten oil directly. Now, if I compare it to the other lipsticks around this range, I would say this feels way more comfortable. It gives a very velvety, non-sticky, non-cakey look and I genuinely loved how it worked both with and without makeup. But do I think it's worth 1075? It's a great lipstick, but if Kiro lowered their price just by 200, I think literally everyone would love them even more. Still, if you like that soft matte mousse texture that feels luxury without being drying, this one's a yes. Now let's talk about Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one cost 875 and I have shade Nutmeg Nude. The shade is honestly so pretty, it's like a warm everyday nude that looks perfect on medium to dusky Indian skin. The texture feels lightweight again, but this one dries down a bit more than Velvet one, though not in a bad way. It still feels hydrating, not tight or cracky. The pigment is rich and it applies evenly without tugging. It's non-sticky and it stays put. Even after 5 to 6 hours, it still looked fresh. And one more thing, it does have a noticeable fragrance, so if you are sensitive to scents, keep that in mind, but otherwise performance wise it's pretty solid. So the question is, why do I still hesitate? Because of 875 rupees. I know so many liquid lipsticks under 400 that perform almost the same. Brands like Swiss Beauty, Insight, Maybelline Sensational, Liquid Matte, all of them have great formulas at half the price. So if you are on a budget, I would say you can totally skip this. But if you are planning to buy a high-end lipstick anyway, these are definitely a better value alternative. So between the two, if I had to pick one, I would go with Velvet Soft Matte one. It just feels more luxurious, more flattering, and I can see myself wearing that shade all the time. And the Airy Matte is also beautiful, but price wise, it doesn't give me that wow, this is worth it kind of feeling. So yeah, both are good, but not must haves unless you want that clean, minimal luxury vibe and don't mind spending a bit extra. So that's it for today's video. If you like this honest, no filter kind of review, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Comment Kiro Glow if you watch till the end. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such real beauty reviews. So let's glow up together. See you in the next video. Bye bye.